What is up, guys? Brittany here, back for another video. And today I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Nintendo Switch. So let's get into it. Alright, guys. So with Nintendo Switch, what you have to do is go up to the top. And right here is the power and the volume buttons. You're going to simultaneously press all three of these down until we get to the correct screen. So let's do that now. I'm going to press this. I'm going to try and do it with one hand. So press this. Okay. I'm going to select restart. And then that's when I'm going to have to press the volume buttons as well. All right, so once you get past that part and both the Nintendo Switch screens come up, the maintenance mode screen should be your next screen. So what you're going to do is either select initialize console without deleting saved data, and that's pretty much going to delete all data on the console except for, your saved data, screenshots, videos, and user information. Now, if you just want to completely delete everything, get rid of everything on your Nintendo Switch, initialize console is the correct option. So I'm going to select that. And then we're going to do continue. All right, and once we do this, this is final. You cannot go back. So continue. And it's going to prompt you, caution, once the console has been initialized, any data deleted during initialization cannot be recovered. Do you want to continue? And so I'm going to select initialize. All right, and now it's going through the process of, deleting everything, going back to factory.
Listen.